Be the envy of your friends in this 2008 Holden Commodore. Experience the comfort of driving this well-presented vehicle with a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags, power mirrors. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. It's important to be able to trust in the safety components of the vehicle you purchase. Call today to schedule a test drive.